Recipe for a relationship with Christ. Take time alone at the beginning of every day to seek Jesus through his word and through prayer. Take time. Relationships don't happen in an instant. We hear a lot these days about quality time versus quantity time, but there are limits to how much quality you can receive or give if the quantity is marginal. Alone. One-to-one is where the deepest communication happens. It's true in marriages and families and friendships. It's also true with God. At the beginning, we are invited to give God top priority, to begin our day with him, not to save him for the last minute before going to bed. Of every day. Regularity is important. Whether you're talking about an exercise program, learning to play the piano, or making a friend, random contact is not enough. To seek Jesus, the focus of the devotional life will always be him. The devotional life is not intended to be a study of prophecy or doctrine or temperance. It is getting acquainted with a person through his word and through prayer. He speaks to us through his word. We respond to him through prayer. Talking and listening are the basic elements of communication. Don't stop with just a recipe. Experience it for yourself. Only then will you truly understand its worth. Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well.